Question number 3. In the figure, sec PS is perpendicular ray RQ and sec QT is perpendicular to sec PR. If RQ length is 6, PS is 6, PR is 12, then find QT. So whatever measures given in the figure, we will write first. RQ, length of R to Q is 6 from here to here. Next PS length is also 6. Next PR length is 12. Okay, so now in this, before starting this sum, I want to say one thing. Here the statement given, sec PS is perpendicular to ray RQ. So I will draw PS perpendicular like this. Perpendicular symbol is this, 90 degree. So PS is perpendicular to ray RQ. So I will take this as RQ. Actually RQ is from here to here. It goes continuously till and it passes through S also. So we can take RS also. But here it is given RQ, so I am taking RQ here. So if PS is perpendicular to RQ, PS we will consider as height and this as base. This is height. Okay. Similarly, if QT is perpendicular to PR, this QT is perpendicular to RQ. Now here this is height, QT is height, RQ is base. Okay, this is one thing. And one more thing I want to explain. In obtuse angle triangle, okay, in a particular triangle, not obtuse angle, in a acute angle triangle, the perpendicular distance, see, this is perpendicular. If this is base and this is height, in triangle ABC, base is this and height is this. Okay, and in a obtuse angle triangle, if we will consider obtuse angle triangle, PQR, if I will consider PQ as base and the perpendicular means it should be 90 degrees straight line and the height should be, if the base is QR, the opposite vertex is P. So from P to perpendicular distance 90 degree angle, in 90 degree angle ray we should join, line we should draw. So the base QR is extending outside and from P, QR opposite vertex is P, side QR and opposite vertex is P. So from opposite vertex we will draw perpendicular line. So this is the height and this is the base. Okay, in obtuse angle triangle, if I will draw like this, this is also obtuse angle triangle. So A, B, C. Then how to draw height here? Perpendicular distance. If it is base, extend the base outside and draw perpendicular line here. This will be the height and whatever this is base. Okay, now come to this. In this question, values given and perpendicular distance also given. Here first I will take the formula area of triangle. Area of triangle formula you all studied in 7th standard, half into base into height. So according to this formula, now I will apply the formula for triangle PQR in this figure. Now where is PQR? PQR. This is the triangle. You can see this is an obtuse angle triangle, correct? This is in the shape of obtuse angle triangle. This is P, R and Q, correct? P, R, Q. And so we can consider this as base till S and height. Okay, so height is this, base is this, right? So I will take area of triangle PQR is equal to half into base is RQ, because I'm writing, okay, this is RQ In a triangle PQR, base is RQ and height is PS. It is outside. So this is equal to half into RQ length given, that is 6 units, and PS length is also 6. So 2 ones are 2 3 times, that is 18 square units. Always area should be in square units. So area of triangle PQR, okay, given here. Consider this as equation 1. Now you focus on area of triangle PQR is equal to half into, again base into height. Now I will see this figure. Now see the area of PQR. If I will consider this as acute angle triangle, that means consider this as base. How it is, just I will show. See, the figure is like this. Actually PQR, this is the figure given here. So if I will consider QR as base, then height will be like this, correct? If I will turn the figure and consider this as base, then height will be perpendicular to this, correct? This is height, this is base, right? So this is the acute angle triangle. So here also you consider same. In triangle PQR, triangle is same but base is different. Base I am consider as PR. So then height will be QT. If PR is the base, QT is the height. If RQ is the base and PS is the height. So here the area of triangle PQR, same triangle we are considering, but while applying the formula of half into base into height, here base I am changing. In the first part, base taken as RQ, so height will be PS. Now in the same figure, in the same triangle PQR, base I am considered as RP as base. Then if this is the base, this will be the height. So half into base is PR and height is QT. Okay. Now here in the next step, area of triangle PQR is already found, that is 18. So in this we will substitute 18 is equal to half into PR value is given in the question, that is 12, into QT not given, right, as it is. Now 2 ones are 2 6 times. So therefore 18 is equal to 6 into QT. Now this is multiplication. While taking this 6 left hand side of equal sign, what happens? It divides. And here QT remains. 6 ones are 6 3 times. Therefore QT is equal to 3 units. Okay.